Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you could easily insert a Gmail email into a PowerPoint presentation. To begin, open your Gmail account, click on the email to open it, click on the three dots, and click Download Message. This will download the message or the email. As a next step, open your PowerPoint presentation and wait for a few seconds until it opens. You locate where you want to save or in which slide you want to insert the email. Click Insert. Object, display as icon, create from file, browse, locate where you have saved your email, click OK, and click OK. And as you can see, the email has been added here. You can click Save, and you can share this file with whoever you want, and they will be able to open and read the email. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.